Hi, it's Wendy. Today I'll be demonstrating a very simple ribbed crochet beanie pattern from yarnspirations.com. You can find the link to the pattern on the screen and get the download for free. You will need a 5mm hook, and it calls for 140 grams of worsted weight yarn. I have found that I can make one of these hats with exactly 100 grams. So get a second ball just to make sure in case your gauge is a little different than mine. And we start off with a chain of 44. When your chain is done, 1/2 double crochet in the third chain from the hook. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, like so, yarn over into that third chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, and go through all 3. That's your 1/2 double crochet. Make another 1/2 double crochet in each chain until you have 5 chains left. We're going to do something different in the last 5. When you have 5 chains left, you'll have 37 1/2 double crochets, and in these last 5 we're going to simply do single crochets. So into the work, pick up a loop, yarn over, go through 2. So we'll have 5 single crochets here. Now we start the 2-row repeat that will continue for the rest of the hat. So chain 1 and turn, and I like to pull that chain 1 quite snug. In these first 5 stitches, you're just going to single crochet in the back loop. So instead of going under both, we're just going to go on the back one, so the one that's further away from me. Single crochet in the first 5. Then we're going to start a 1/2 double crochet in the horizontal bar. So when you look at the top of your work, you see the V there, tip it away from you, and you'll see there's this row of horizontal bars just below the back stitch in the V. So yarn over, go underneath that horizontal bar, draw up a loop, and go through 3. And we're going to work in each of those back loops or horizontal bars down the whole length. And you'll know you're doing it right when you see a nice row of chains on the right hand side of your work, like so. Continue like that down the length of the work. At the end of that row, it should look like this on the side that's facing you, and like that on the side that's away from you. And what we're doing is working sideways on the hat. So the single crochet end is the crown of the hat or the top, and the other end is the bottom edge. And we're working up and down. For row 2, chain 2 and turn. And again, we're going to work in the horizontal bars. So this one right here, you'll see the V at the top, and I'm working just below it on the back. So yarn over, under the bar, pull through 3. 1/2 double crochet up until you hit the last 5 stitches, which will be single crochets. When you get to the last 5, you're going to switch to working in the back loop and do single crochets again. So I'm going to tip it up and look for the back loop only of these single crochets and single crochet in those. If you like to mark where it switches from half double to single crochet, you could put a stitch marker in that last half double crochet. Now turning around from the top of the beanie and working down again to the bottom, chain one, pull it snug and turn, and now we're going to work that row one again. Work in the back loop only of the single crochets and work 5 single crochets on top of the previous ones. Then switch to the horizontal loop half double crochets. So now we're going to flip around to this side and pick up those horizontal loops and work down to the end. And that's all there is to it. You just repeat those 2 types of stitches up and down the beanie until it measures 20 inches at the widest point. So you're going to get something that looks like this, where you've got your single crochets across the top and your half double crochets working up and down like so. And then just continue until the widest part, of course on the bottom here with the half double crochets, measures 20 inches when slightly stretched. Then the pattern says to put your leftover end onto a yarn needle and sew down the seam of the hat from the top to the bottom. Alternatively, you can crochet them together. By just holding them together and picking up a stitch from either side and slip stitch. So pick up one from this side, one from the other side, pull it all the way through the one on the hook. Turn the hat so your seam is on the inside. Take your yarn needle. Now we're going to sew up the crown of the beanie and just pick up every other stitch or each rib as you go around, like so. And then the idea is to pull them all tight to close up the top of the beanie. So I'm going to work the rest of the way around and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, and just close up the top like so, pull it snug. Then fasten it in tightly and sew off your remaining end. You can always sew the top of it together a little bit more if you find that it doesn't want to pull quite all the way closed. Just put a few stitches across. And then you could always add a pom-pom or something like that on the top for a little extra decoration. The last instruction on the pattern is to fold back the bottom cuff, and there you have it. Super easy, really cozy, and it works up quick enough that you can make one of these for everyone on your list before Christmas. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Drop me a comment and let me know if you made one of these beanies for yourself. Thanks for joining me and have a super day.